guys, welcome back. Digital Slang back again with another video. Today we're talking about something that's pretty important today in the crazy world that we live in right now. And this is a product called PhoneSoap. And in this craziness that's going on all over the world, you know, we got to be clean. We got to clean our hands all the time, make sure everything is clean, wipe down everything, disinfect everything. So this is going to help with that. And it's called PhoneSoap. It's been around for a long time. It's been around for years. And this is version 3. And there's different versions. You got the Pro, you got the Go, which is more, it's carrying case with like a battery in it, so you can take it on the go. You don't need a plug. But this is version 3. It's 79 bucks, and I know it's a little pricey right now, but what it does is it's pretty cool, and it could help you stay clean. And I did order one from AliExpress too. It's not here yet, but when it gets here, we'll test that out as well. But that was only 30 bucks, right? A little more budget friendly. But let's talk about what this thing does. Let's just take a look at it really quick, and then we'll go over everything that it does. So pretty simple boxing, just PhoneSoap, cardboard box, and you open it up. This is going to be your charger right here, just to plug the charge. And then this is the product, just PhoneSoap. And it comes with this little card on top, and then this is a cloth to clean your phone after you clean it inside of here. So it's pretty simple, right? It's just a big case, and inside of the case, if you open it up, there are a couple bulbs in here that will produce some UV light, and the UV light is going to kill 99.99% of all germs, viruses, and bacteria. 99.9.9, and it's been tested, right? And I'll drop a link below. There's a cool video on YouTube, and I believe it was the Discovery Channel that did a test. They took this to a lab, and they took a couple phones to the lab, and they sprayed it with all this stuff, viruses and bacteria, and they compared it, and they tested it out to see what would happen if it really works. And the results were fantastic. So check it out. I'll drop the link below. But this is the PhoneSoap. Now these bulbs right here, you're going to be able to use these bulbs forever. It comes with a lifetime warranty on the bulbs, and you can get 4,000 hours of battery out of these bulbs, which is going to give you about 24,000 uses on the phone. And the way this works, you're just going to drop your phone in here. When it's plugged in, we'll plug it in, and I'll show you guys how it works. But what you do, you're just going to throw your phone inside of here. You're going to close it, and this light, this lightning bolt on top, it's going to light up, and it's going to go for a 10-minute charge, and it's going to disinfect and sterilize your phone, and it's going to kill everything that's on your phone. Our phones are a cesspool. They're nasty. We take them into the bathroom. Let's be real, guys. You take them into the bathroom. Phones have 18 times more bacteria on them than restrooms do. So just keep that in mind, how filthy these things are. And this is going to clean it. It's going to sterilize it and disinfect it. And it's really important today, right? Where we are today with what's going on in the world, it's pretty important. All right, so if we take a look at the PhoneSoap, if we open it up, of course, you're going to have your UV lights on the inside, one bulb on the bottom, one bulb on top. So it's going to sterilize the bottom and the top of whatever you put in. And keep in mind, you can throw other things in here. It doesn't just have to be your phone. Put your case in here, right? Disinfect your phone, and then your case. You can put your keys in here. You can put money in here, your wallet. I mean, credit cards, whatever you want, whatever fits in here is going to work, and it's going to sterilize it. And right now, that's a pretty big deal, right? It's pretty important. So keep that in mind. It's not just meant for phones. And on the back here, you're going to have your port for the power. And it does have a USB Type-C connector and also just a USB Type-A. And you're going to be able to just plug your phone in and charge it while you're using this. So it's really cool. So let's plug it in. We're going to test it out. So once you plug this in, the lightning bolt on top is going to come on, and that's going to tell you that it's working. The bulbs on the inside are now on, and it's sterilizing whatever's in the case. And the way it works is you just open this up, you place your phone in, you close it. This is going to come on. It's going to go for 10 minutes, and it's automatically going to shut off. And what's cool about it is after it's done sanitizing your phone, you lift this up, you take it out, it's going to come on again and run for another 10 minutes once you shut it, and it's going to sterilize the inside again, just so you know next time you use it, it's going to be clean and sanitized. So look, it's pretty basic, pretty simple, but what it does is really effective, and it's pretty important today where we are. So this is the PhoneSoap version 3. Check it out. I'm going to drop the link below for the Discovery YouTube video again. You can check it out. They took it to a lab and they did all these tests on it, and they sprayed the phones with all these crazy bacteria and nastiness, just nasty stuff. And then they tested it on the PhoneSoap, and the PhoneSoap got rid of everything. 100%, it killed everything. So pretty cool. Check out the video, the PhoneSoap. I'll leave the link below on Amazon. This is version 3. I think this was around 79 bucks, 80 bucks. I bought this used, so check Facebook Marketplace, check like Craigslist or eBay. You can get them for much cheaper. This I paid 30 bucks for, so keep that in mind. You don't always have to get them brand new. You can find ways on a budget to save some money, and the one from AliExpress that's coming is going to be just like this one. I paid 30 bucks for it brand new. So keep that in mind. PhoneSoap version 3, guys. For me, it's pretty important. As soon as all this stuff was happening, I've wanted one of these for a while, but I never went out and got it because, you know, you just put things off. But with what's going on in the world today, I thought this was pretty important, as clean as we have to be today. So if you got the money, man, pick one up. It might help. You never know. But that's it. PhoneSoap version 3. We'll be back soon with more videos, guys. Peace.